I'd like to thank you on behalf of Turkish Airlines Macedonia to offer us this opportunity for the cooperation. We are very satisfied with this cooperation because we are supporting all from different fields, sport and entertainment, from art, sportsmen all around the world. Bowling has another meaning for us, especially because we have our own bowling tournaments all around the world. We bring people together in Istanbul from last year numerous countries, I don't remember, but from all continents, from America, from Europe, from Africa, South, Asia, East, Middle East. We bring them together and we have this fun because bowling is a good stuff for entertainment. Thanks, and it's good to take part in this event as well.
Yes, it was our pleasure.
Thank you very much. And congratulations to you, and the winner is still celebrating
Friday, yes.
his victory.